Welcome back to Evaluate and Repair, or welcome if you're brand new here. I have a situation with the John Deere 111 that I've been working on. After I put the new head gasket in, I found I have stripped out spark plug hole, which might explain why I had the low compression. But I'm going to show you how to fix this, how to rethread this. I have a kit here. I've used this before from AutoZone, the Duralast, about 30 bucks. See if I can give you the part number there. Okay. And it's just an insert that goes into the hole. Gives you a little chaser, a thread chaser here. It's got three different different lengths of threads there. You gotta be careful you can't put too long of a thread in there, or you're going to hit it with either the valve or the piston. Mine looks like it's going to be the shortest one here, and I'm going to go ahead and try to put that in, try to bring you in and show you how to do it. Get it started straight again. All right, let's take it back out. So if you look close, there's some teeth on there. And I think that's actually going to be the last part you want to go in so that it actually locks into the threads. I'm going to also use my JB weld to seal that in there so that I don't have any leakage coming around the threads. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit around here. There she goes. Okay, we got her in there. Okay, so now what this tool here is for is to seat your plug, which I got a terrible little vise here. I'm a little worried about this, but what you want to do, I'm going to put it over here, maybe you can see it better. Those little knurled teeth around the top of that are so they bite into the metal to keep it from backing out. So what you want to do is you get that. You put your, and that mushrooms it out and locks it in there to keep that from coming out. So there you have it. There you have it. Now we're going to let that dry and put it back on later on. Okay, so that's how you go about putting an insert in for a head gasket or for a spark plug. Unfortunately, these heads are aluminum, and after they get old, this is a 1980 mower. So after they get old, they just rip the threads out. So that's the second one I had to do. I think it'll be a good repair. Well, I hope this video helps somebody out there. If it did, leave me a comment and tell me how you made out. If there's something you might do different, put a comment in there. Because I know there are different ways. I know people use red Loctite. People use silicone, high heat silicone. So, yeah, let me know your thoughts or something that might improve on this.